So the iPhone 17 lineup is about to hit the market according to reports that is reaching us. And over this period of time, many conflicting reports has been reaching us about all the lineup. But one report that has been consistent is that of iPhone 17 Air. According to reports, it suggests that iPhone 17 Air is going to come with 120 Hz display, which is going to be a massive jump from that of other lineups that are 60 Hz display. Then another report that we also got is that it's going to have only one camera bump at the back, and that camera is just going to be 48 megapixel sensor, and the selfie camera is going to be 24 megapixel sensor, which is also a good attribute towards the phone. But according to reports, the battery is going to still remain like that of iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is 5,000 milliamp hour of battery. Then we also heard that it's going to come with titanium aluminum body frame, but the titanium is going to be in lower percentage compared to the aluminum. Then we also heard that it's going to cost around the same $899 that all the other iPhones are priced during launch. We also heard that it's going to come with A19 chipset instead of the 19 Pro chipset that is on iPhone 16 Pro Max. We also heard that it's going to come with 8 gigabytes of storage, which everybody thought is going to come with like 16 or even 12 gigabytes of storage. But let us keep our fingers crossed to see if this is going to be what Apple is going to be releasing it with. Then the last rumor that we are getting is that it's going to be very thin. It's going to come with 5.5 millimeter thickness. It's going to even be thinner than that of iPhone 6, that is 6.9 millimeter. All those are the reports that we have gotten for you on today's video. So if you like reports like this, kindly hit the like button, and please remember to comment and tell us what you feel about this new iPhone 17 Slim. See you in my next video. Bye.